Welcome on Vandana Classes YouTube channel. I am Navakant Misra with you to discuss multiplication of algebraic expression. Hope you have to enjoy this session. My dear student, in this question that you know very well that it can be solved by horizontal as well as column method. In this exercise, I am going to discuss about the column method because it is very easier and it is also less time consuming. Regarding the column method that you know very well that at first you need to write 2x squared minus 3x squared minus 6. This is the trinomials, and you have to multiply by another trinomials, that is x squared minus x plus 2. And that you know that you can multiply by each term of these trinomials, and you can just multiply. 2 is multiplied by minus 6, then you get minus 12. 2 is multiplied by minus 3x, then you can write minus 6x. 2 is multiplied by 2x squared, then it is can written as 4x squared. When minus x is multiplied by minus 6, then it is equal to plus 6x, because minus minus plus, and you have to write down the like term together. And here minus x is multiplied by minus 3x, then it can be written as 3x squared, and minus x is multiplied by 2x squared, then it can be written as minus 2x cube, and you have to write down in the separate column. And after that, x squared is multiplied by minus 6, then it can be written as minus 6x squared, and you have to write down here minus 6x squared. X squared is multiplied by minus 3x, then it can be written as minus 3x cube. And last one, x squared is multiplied by 2x squared, then it is written as 2x to the power 4. And after that, you have to just simplify. You can just write down minus 12 plus 6x and minus 6x. You know very well that both term is undergo cancel, so nothing is left. If you want to write, then you may write here 0. And after that, just see that 4x squared plus 3x squared, 7x squared, and 7x squared minus 6x squared, it is equal to plus x squared. So you have to write down here. In x cube, you can just see that minus 2x cube minus 3x cube, it can be written as minus 5x cube, and the last one 2x to the power 4. It can also be written as 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus x squared minus 12, because 0 either you write or you do not write. My dear student, in this question you can just see that you have to multiply 5p squared plus 3 minus 4p to the minus 4p plus 3p squared. This is the question. And when you multiply, then you can just get that when 3p squared is multiplied by minus 4p, then you get minus 12p cube. After that, you have to multiply 3p squared to 3, 3p squared to 5p squared. Similarly, you have to multiply minus 4p to minus 4p, minus 4p to 3, minus 4p to 5p squared. And 5 is multiplied by minus 4p, 5 is multiplied by 3, 5 is multiplied by 5p squared. And after that, you have to write the like terms in the same column, and after arranging it, you can just add or simplify, and you get this result. And this can also be write in descending order in the standard form, like 15p to the power 4 minus 32p cube plus 50p squared minus 32p plus 15. My dear student, at first you have to write in the column method, because I am going to discuss by column method. So at first you have to just write down, and after that you have to multiply one by one. When you multiply 1 by 1 minus 3a squared x to 3a squared x, then you get minus 9a to the power 4x squared. Then you have to multiply 3a square x to 3ax square, then you get minus 9aq when multiply minus 3a square x to aq, then you get minus 3a to the power 5x, and when minus 3a square x is multiplied by x cube, then you can get minus 3a square x to the power 4. Similarly, you have to multiply minus x cube to 3a square x, and you can get by this multiplication minus 3a square x to the power 4. And you can just see that here you have to write. Actually, you have to just write in the separate column of the like terms. So you have not to write here. You have to write just below the like term, because this is the like term a square x to the power 4. So you have to write down just below it. And after that you have to multiply minus x cube to 3ax square. Then you get minus 3ax to the power 5. But there is no any like term, so you have to just write down in the separate column. Similarly, you have to multiply minus x cube to a cube, and you get minus a cube x cube. This is also a different terms, so you have to write in a separate column. And at last minus x cube is multiplied by x cube to get minus x to the power 6, and this is why you have to write in separate column. Here you have to just pay attention. Either you write in the right extreme or left extreme, it depends upon your wish. So I have just written here in the right extreme, means right side, in the separate column. Similarly, you have to multiply 3ax square to all these terms, and also aq to all these terms, and write down in the proper column in systematic way. And after writing all the terms, after multiplying on simplification, you can just see down minus x to the power 6 plus 3a square x to the power 4 minus 3a to the power 4 x square plus a to the power 6. That will be the solution of this question. My dear student, here two expression you have to multiply. One pentanomial has been given, and second one it is multiplied by trinomials. The column methods, you know very well that you have to multiply one by one to all of its terms that has given. 3 when multiplied by 3, then you get plus 9. 3 is multiplied by minus 2x, then you get minus 6x. 3 is multiplied by 4x squared, then you get plus 12x squared. 3 is multiplied by minus x cube, then you get minus 3x cube. When 3 is multiplied by 5x to the power 4, then you get 15x to the power 4. Similarly, you have to multiply by minus 2x. When you multiply minus 2x to 3, then you get minus 6x, and you have to write in the proper column of the like terms. So you have to write down here. Minus 2x is multiplied by minus 2x, then you get plus 4x squared, and you have to write in this column. Minus 2x is multiplied by plus 4x squared, then you get minus 8x to the power cube. So you have to write down in this column. Minus 2x is multiplied by minus x cube, then you have to write down plus 2x to the power 4, and it is written in this column. And when minus 2x is multiplied by 5x to the power 4, then it can be written as minus 10x to the power 5. Similarly, you have to multiply x squared by each of these terms. When x squared is multiplied by 3, then it is equal to 3x squared, and you have to write down in the separate column. X squared is multiplied by minus 2x, then it can be written as minus 2x cube, and you have to write in this column. When x squared is multiplied by 4x squared, then you can write plus 4x to the power 4. Square is multiplied by minus x cube, then it can be written as minus x to the power 5. X squared is multiplied by 5x to the power 4, then it can be written as 5x to the power 6, and on simplification you can write plus 9 minus 12x. In this column it can be written as plus 19x squared. In this column on simplification you can write down minus 13x to the power cube. In this column you can just write down plus 21x to the power 4 minus 10x to the power 5 minus x to the power 5 can be written as minus the power 6. That is the final result.